Hi there, my name is Gillian Smith and welcome to my presentation for Art and Design. The presentation will be on Links For the brief, I was to design a Links viral campaign, research and define future consumers, which would entice male consumers to buy and repeat use of the product Links Also have to incorporate interactive and static advertising, while still using the Links logo, which would be able to be seen by the male consumers using the product. The product for the viral campaign must include press ad shell advertisement, mobile media, interactive display, and sticker and guerrilla advertising. The three main objective words for this product was empowerment, subversive, and investment. Such things as giving power back to the consumer, participation, enticing the consumer, and having a social aspect to the lives of the consumer itself, which would benefit love, life, body, and career by using this product. Whilst doing research, I found that the future consumer of the Links billet would be between 18 and 30 years old, male, a subculture group of many working class, but also professional and creative, an urbanite, short-term relationship or bachelor, sexual orientation open, and is interactive with technology of today and of the future. Research into artists and designers found colour inspiration from Grzegorz Domorawski on the bottom right hand corner. His use of colours complement and contrast each other to create depth. Also, Dan Mountford on the top right hand corner uses clipping masks to create depth of field in his images, layering 2 or 3 images over each other. My colour inspiration came to the conclusion that I would use shades of greys to blacks and whites, and also a pop of colour, including reds and pinks. For type, it would be clean cut type, using hero or code bold, and also maybe some handwritten type also. My final concepts are only of 2 out of 4 concepts that I've chosen. Concept 1 was to show that Links is shown in a way to prepare yourself for something that males may not want to do, to appeal to a creative client using hand-drawn image and type and the use of handwritten font. This campaign would be vivid in colour and imagery, and also appeal to a sense of humour within the consumer. The second concept was a campaign showing the reverse of stereotypical views on male. Links is shown in a way to combat these views. The typical animals are represented as male and powerful, and links can be used to transform these images into a self-image of what males would like themselves to be seen as and what other people should see them as also. As I went for the concept 2, I decided to look at different types of ways to approach this area of self-image, using a gorilla as the male stereotypical view, and then looking at ways to break that image down, which would break down the self-image of the consumer. And these are just a few inspirations and designs that I went for in the beginning. I decided to go for the last image on the previous page and look at how typography can be implemented within the design, and how the use of colour can be manly but also be overall consumer friendly as well. These are my final inspirations for the sticker and also the posters, using typography to use words that may be appropriate for the male consumer, and also using these images for the mobile media app, which is able to find a vending machine for the Links billet and also incorporates the logo and the design of the previous poster and sticker. This is the final sticker, which would be a circle sticker used for guerrilla advertising, which could be put around in places where you could find the Links billet vending machine, which you can see here on your right hand side. Now this is incorporated logo design and also is clean and white, which would be able to be seen by the male consumer, and also is very creative and independent of the previous Links billet. Thank you for listening. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask.